Namaskar. Welcome to my YouTube channel BK Crochet Art. Today we are going to make this very beautiful crochet made tea coaster. It starts from the center. Now let's start. We have taken wool of 4 ply and crochet 3 mm. We'll take yarn over our front finger and hold it with thumb and mid finger, and we'll control it with the lower two fingers. First we'll make a slip knot. Now we have to form a small ring. So we'll knit 6 chains. After 6 chains, we'll attach with the first chain with the help of slip stitch. In this way, we'll get a small ring. Now we are going to start our first round. 3 chains we'll make, then we'll make 15 double crochets in the ring itself. Or we can say we require 16 double crochets for this pattern. Sixteen double crochets we have made. Now we'll attach with the first chain with the uppermost chain with the help of slip stitch. In second round we'll make 1 double crochet and 2 chains. So we'll first make 2 chains and then again 2 chains. Total 4 chains we'll make. Now 1 double crochet. We'll make on the existing 1 double crochet. Now 2 chains and 1 double crochet. We had 16 double crochets. So in this round we also have 16 double crochets, but we have 16 pockets also in between the 2 double crochets. Second round is about to end. We'll make 2 chains and attach it with the uppermost chain with the help of slip stitch. Now we move to the next pocket. We have to move to the next pocket. 3 chains we'll make. Then we'll make 4 double crochets in the pocket. Or we can say we have to make 5 double crochets in each pocket. Total 5 double crochets. First we have to make. Now we'll pull this chain from the uppermost chain. We'll pull this chain from the first double crochet. We'll pull it and will tighten it. One chain will make to tighten it, and two other chains will make to separate one petal from the other. This we'll call one petal. Then we move to the next pocket. 5 double crochets we'll make first. Five double crochets we have made for one petal. We'll pull this chain from the first double crochet. Very first double crochet, we'll pull it and we'll hold it tightly. Now two chains. Now we move to the next pocket. 5 double crochets. Five double crochets we have made. Now we'll pull this chain from the first double crochet. One chain to tighten it and two chains more. Following this pattern, we'll complete our this round. We'll make 16 petals. In this round, we'll have total 16 petals. So finally, we'll attach with the uppermost chain. Now we start our second round in the petals. Now we first move to the next immediate pocket. We'll make one petal. For first petal we have to make 3 chains and 4 double crochets. First we'll make 4 petals. We'll pull this chain. We'll pull this chain from the first double crochet as we made before. Now we'll not make all the petals. First we'll make 4 petals. 4 petals we have made. Now we'll make 10 chains. This is going to be our first side. 10 chains we'll make to separate one side from the other. Ten chains we have made. Similarly, we will make 4 another petals. We have made 4 another petals. This is our second side. So what we'll do, we'll make 10 chains to separate one side from the other. Similarly, we will make 4 petals. Four petals, 10 chains, 4 petals, 10 chains. We'll complete this round like this, which we have completed. We'll attach it and move to the next pocket. Now we'll make 3 petals. We'll not make 4 petals. We'll make only 3 petals in between the 2 petals. 3 petals we'll make like this. Three petals we have made. Now we'll make 2 chains and we'll make 6 double crochets in the big gap. It is the corner. We'll make 6 double crochets. Then we'll make 3 chains and again 6 double crochets we'll make in the corner. We have completed our first corner. Now 2 chains as we made before making the corner. 2 chains we'll make and 3 petals as we made before. 3 petals we'll make. Following this pattern, we'll complete this round also. We'll make 4 corners and 3 petals in between the corners we'll make. This round is complete. We'll attach and we are going to make the next round. 2 chains and we'll attach it and we'll move to the next pocket. Now only 2 pockets we'll make, 2 petals we'll make. We'll not make 3 petals. 1 petal is going to be decreased in every round. 2 petals we'll make. 2 petals we have made. Now as we made in the last round 2 chains and 2 double crochets in the next small pocket, and then we'll make 1 double crochet over every existing 1 double crochet. We had made 6 double crochets, so we'll make exactly 6 double crochets first. Now this is the exit corner, so we'll make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets to form the exit corner. 2 chains and 2 double crochets. Rest is same. We have to make 1 double crochet over every 1 double crochet, so 6 double crochets we'll make. Now 2 double crochets in the small pocket, and we'll make 2 chains to form a small pocket for the next round. Now we'll make 2 petals. Following this pattern, we'll complete our this round also. All the 3 sides will complete like this. Finally we'll attach. Now we have to make only 1 petal. After 2 chains, we'll make 1 petal. Again, as we made before, 2 chains, and we'll make 2 chains, 2 double crochets in the small pocket, and we'll make 1 double crochet over every existing 1 double crochet. So now there will be 8 double crochets. We'll make 8 double crochets, and in the corner we'll make 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets. Following this pattern, we'll complete our this round. It's very simple. I hope you will like the video. If so, please do share it. For more beautiful videos, please explore and subscribe my channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon by the side. We've completed our this round and now we are going to do our final round. It's very simple. We have to make 2 double crochets in small pockets and rest is the same, 1 double crochet over every 1 double crochet, and in the corners 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets. It's damn easy. Now we'll make one more round, and in this round we have to simply make 1 double crochet over every 1 double crochet, and corners 2 double crochets, 2 chains and 2 double crochets. Very simple. We have completed our pattern and it looks really very beautiful. Now we'll attach with the help of needle. We'll not attach with the crochet. For finishing, we must end with needle. It looks very beautiful finishing over the outer chain. I am eager to see you with another beautiful video. Till then, have a good day and thank you for watching.